Hi everybody! Today we are gonna play with the Play-Doh Fun Factory. I hope it's a lot of fun. And if you see, it comes with 5 Play-Dohs. Blue, yellow, red, light green, and orange. I can't wait to open. Let's start. My sister is already opening the Play-Doh. Why Play-Doh? So here's the Play-Doh. I'm now gonna open.
I'm gonna make this open.
No, I think we have to open it when we need. And there's green. So we have butterflies.
We are there.
And that. Not hold it at your mouth. I think we have to put it in here or in here. And here. And then squeeze it like that. And you can choose which form. I don't know where to put this. So my mom told me how to put it in, and you have to put it like this in. This is to make breakfast. Oh no. I'm gonna put it in here. And I think I'm gonna make spaghetti. Yes, I'm gonna make spaghetti. And for the final, can wait. Ooh, it really looks like spaghetti. Look, it really feels like pasta. Whoa, it's really a lot of pasta. That was everything normally. Well, look, I have a bowl of spaghetti. So we saw on the box that this little thing was made for this thing to roll it out like that. So now I'm gonna make that thing. First I'm gonna pick the pink and this orangish, yellowish thing, and I'm gonna put it like this. Because this is the handle and this too, but I'm gonna do that later. And the next one is green. Yes, green. And then the next one, this was this. The other one was this. And then this one, the green again, and then this one. I can't wait to use it. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna pick green. Green is really little, so I think I'm gonna use all green. It's flat, like this. I'm gonna pick this one.
Yellow.
And roll it. I can't wait to see the result. Whoa, that's so beautiful result. Whoa, look at this. And whoa, that's so beautiful.
I'm gonna make this.
And this one is some green. So I have lettuce.
I'm gonna make this.
Really sorry that I not have brown, but I'm happy that they have yellow. That's more for the cheese. Is that for me? firms and they are really cool. So as my sister, the fish is really beautiful because it's pink. I'm gonna make a girl with a hole inside with a little Play-Doh. Glasses are not like that. So now I'm gonna put the yellow in the that. Don't we do so much yellow?
This too. And this one.
So they have a lot of firms and they are really cool. So as my sister, the fish is really beautiful because it's pink. I'm gonna make a girl with a hole inside with a little Play-Doh. So actually it's not a kid, it's a mother, because here at the other side is mother, so that's why I think it's mother. Is that a father or a kid? No, I'm gonna do the edge off. So my mother is, I have my mother, and then I'm gonna squeeze it out. Look at they have a hole right there. Look at my mother. She has a belly. She has a baby in her belly.
Look.
So it was a lot of fun. It has a lot of shapes, and if you want, you can buy it. So you can play with it, and the Play-Doh is really soft. I think that's why they call it dough, Play-Doh, because it's a kind of dough, but then you can play with, and it's softer than dough, and that's why I think it's called Play-Doh. So I see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.